Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play French Age of Empires 4. Focus on early economy. Send 6 villagers to sheep, 3 to wood, and keep 1 on gold for upgrades. Build a house, then a stable to exploit French cavalry bonuses quickly. Use scouts to find resources and map control, and balance villager production with constant scouting to deny enemy expansions and set up a strong mid-game. Choose units that exploit French strengths and enemy weaknesses. Cavaliers provide speed, raiding power, and map control, while halberdiers blunt enemy cavalry and spearmen. Crossbowmen support with consistent DPS from behind your front line, and towers or outposts can anchor position when needed. Always scout opposing army composition and adapt your mix, swapping units or teching counter upgrades to maintain pressure and capitalize on enemy mistakes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for cozy marathon gaming shifts and fewer distractions from blisters. It's a small upgrade that keeps your focus on macro and micro. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Efficient economy wins games, so time your upgrades around stable production and resource curves. Buy wheelbarrow and relevant eco-techs early once you reach steady villager numbers, and place rally points to reduce walking time. Secure relics for gold and forward mine to support cavalry techs, and stagger upgrades so you always have research in the queue while producing units to pressure and expand without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.